Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Note 12 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. To get started, you will need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you can also use a paperclip. Straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now once you have that, you want to pop out the tray, which is located right here on the top left side of the phone. There we go. As you can see where the pin is holding. Push it in and the tray comes out. Just a little bit, enough for you to grab it and take it out. Now on here you have space for a SD card on one side, and on the bottom side you have space for two SIM cards. Now if I'm correct, these SIM cards won't be held in place. Oh no, they are. So if you flip it over, they shouldn't fall out. So anyway, I'm just going to place one here, and then I'm going to flip it over and slap my SD card on here as well. Now make sure that these cards are clipped in correctly. So if you flip it over and one of the cards falls out, it means that it's probably not. As you can see, they shouldn't be protruding from the tray whatsoever. From there, insert it back into the phone. There we go. And the cards should start working right away, which SIM card already is. As you can see, it's telling me to insert my pin. And SD card is working as well, which you can see right here. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.